श्री E.T. Mohammad Bashir ji.
Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. This Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Amendment Bill. The mic is not, I think. Mic is not working. Yes. This is a simple one. Up to an extent, it is a fait accompli also. Merger of IAS, IPS, IAFS, and so on of JK with the cadre of Goa, Mizoram, and Arunachal Pradesh. That's okay. But, madam, while we are discussing this issue, I humbly appeal the government to have an introspection on what exactly has happened after the abrogation of Article 370 of the Constitution. Madam, we heard so many claims from your side that J&K after this abrogation of 370 has become a paradise like that. But these are all exaggerated stories and balloonized kind of things, I would like to say with all the politeness. Backwardness is still there. Even this year, 2 years you have lapsed in this. You could have done it much earlier. Backwardness is there. This fake account kind of things, that also is happening there, madam. Similarly, we all know that certain application of certain sports scheme, that is there, I am not denying. But serious attempt has not been made for redressing their genuine grievances. That exactly is the fact. I would like to ask only one thing. When you are going to give back this statehood to them, you have made so many declarations that will be done as far as possible. What is the time frame for that? I humbly request the government, if you are honest in this, make an assurance before this house when you are going to give the statehood back to these places. That is to be specially mentioned in this. And madam, with the relevancy of the officers, their their local kind of this thing. While you are transferring the officers from the other states, when it is merging, from Goa, Mizoram, and places like that, you must keep in mind the local nature of that particular state. When you are transferring the officers, keep in mind that this local reflection should be strictly followed in this. Trustworthiness and cooperation is an important thing, sir. When you are doing such kind of transfer of the officers, that should be maintained. I would like to say one thing. As far as a clean administration is concerned, the integrity and impartial kind of attitude is an important ingredient as far as bureaucrats are concerned. But unnecessarily you are creating some confusion. I don't want to say much about that. Even in Lakadius, some kind of move is going on. I would like to say that government may have some liking or disliking. But when you are posting officers, you should not have a thinking that they must work as what is called a kind of catalytic agents for implementing government policy in that way. But there must be some criteria in that. In Lakadius, I would like to say there is some bad signal from there also regarding the government's approach. Then I would like to say one more thing. That is, now what is happening? You are all saying that something is wonderful happening there. Things are going from bad to worse. I am going to conclude. Things are going from bad to worse. They are having problems. So what I am saying in brief is, instead of making talkings, realize the ground reality. And government should react according to the sufferings of the people. Instead of giving some sugar-coated promises, do the things sincerely. That's what I want to say. And make an end to in this kind of propaganda kind of things. Be real in all this kind of things. These are the few words which I want to express. Thank you very much.